Russian forces attempted to enter Novomikhailivka using the main eastern access road. This road was already heavily mined by Ukrainian forces. In the video, the wreckage of at least 4 Russian infantry fighting vehicles that attempted the attack can be seen. The column of Russian vehicles that attempted to approach Ukrainian positions was broken up by the 79th Air Assault Brigade. The attack happened reportedly near Marinka, and the Ukrainian Air Force used a Stugna P to target the vehicles. The 38th Marine Brigade destroyed more Russian equipment near Krinky on the occupied left bank. President Zelensky is in Washington. I met with leaders of U.S. defense companies and expressed my gratitude to every American worker who manufactures weapons that help us safeguard our people and defend our land, he said. I appreciated all American companies that attended last week's U.S.-Ukraine Defense Industry Conference. I also proposed establishing a European defense hub in Ukraine. We are prepared to make all essential decisions, cut red tape, and allocate orders. We are ready to produce more ammunition and military vehicles, but we require support. It is important to develop joint production of artillery ammo, air defense systems, and artillery and missile systems. Together, we can create more jobs, generate more strength, and provide more opportunities for both of our nations.
And we understand that without such people,
the latest version of the Missile Defense Agency's ground-based interceptor for homeland missile defense intercepted an intermediate-range ballistic missile in test Monday. The interceptor, which is part of the ground-based mid-course defense system designed to defeat possible intercontinental ballistic missile attacks from North Korea and Iran, was launched at Vandenberg Space Force in California. The system is made up of interceptors, the majority of which are positioned in underground silos at Fort Greely in Alaska. The test demonstrated the ability of the system capability to engage threats faster, the agency said. The test used an upgraded interceptor with the Raytheon-designed capability enhanced to Block 1 exo-atmospheric kill vehicle and marked the first time the system has tested a 3-stage missile operating in 2-stage mode, which means the 3rd stage was commanded not to ignite and allowed earlier release of the kill vehicle, providing closer range engagements, the agency explained. That is the section of the missile designed to destroy targets in high-speed collisions after separating from the booster rocket. The agency said it was primarily testing the upgraded missile ability to intercept a target in an expanded space made possible by the 2-stage mode, but also, for the first time, integrated sensor data from the Army and Navy Transportable Radar Surveillance Model 2 forward-based mode and an upgraded sea-based X-band radar, which are both also developed by Raytheon. This successful intercept, utilizing the 2- and 3-stage selectable ground-based interceptor capability in 2-stage mode, provides the warfighter with increased battle space that supports additional shot opportunities to negate an incoming threat missile, newly confirmed Director Lieutenant General Heath Collins said in the statement. This test demonstrates that we continue to provide enhanced capabilities for our existing ground-based interceptor fleet while we rapidly design and deliver the leap-ahead technology of the next-generation interceptor. Other companies involved in the test included Boeing as the lead integrator of the system, and Northrop Grumman, which integrates and manages weapon systems within the system as of mid-2022. The upgraded missile will be deployed in the next system capability delivery, the agency said. The interceptor first launched a mock-up with the 3-stage booster operating in 2-stage mode in September 2021. The first ballistic missile defense system was deployed some 20 years ago, And so modernization for the system to defend the homeland was the top priority of the previous agency director who retired this year. The Missile Defense Agency is working with 2 teams in a competition to develop the next-generation interceptor to replace the current version. Northrop Grumman and Raytheon are competing against Lockheed Martin and Aerojet Rocketdyne to build the new interceptors. The plan is to carry both teams all the way through critical design review. Lockheed completed its digital design in October, and the Northrop and Raytheon team is expected to complete its design review early in 2024. Roughly a year following, the teams are expected to reach the final stage. The aim is to field the system by 2028, Hill has said. It's great to see ground-based mid-course defense system testing hot again after a bit of a break. Tom Caraco, missile defense analyst at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, told Defense News. While the capability is needed for more advanced threats, the kill vehicles deployed today remain an important deterrence and defense capability. And for the end, you have to see this heartbreaking, tear-dropping video of the North Korean dictator Kim Jong-un, which was warmly received by members of the Korean Children's Union who were present at the 5th National Conference of Mothers.
아버지 원수님께서는 기쁨의 눈물을 흘리며 조조마다 따라서는 학생 청년들을 사모하시며 대회장에서 보여준 밝고 명랑한 모습으로 모든 어머니들에게 기쁨과 세임을 더해준 것처럼 언제나 어머니들의 간절한 소원을 새겨 안고 이 나라를 떠내고 나갈 앞날의 주인공들로 더욱 씩씩하게 성장하기를 바란다고 반드시 축복해 주셨습니다.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.